The value of small group dialogue. There are many benefits to small group work. Research shows that there are strong links between high-quality group work and learning gains. Group work provides learners with the opportunity to learn through talk with their peers and without a teacher needing to be present in the interaction. Student-to-student dialogue creates an opportunity for students to learn from each other. Group work can also be used to rehearse ideas in a less stressful environment, with a small number of others listening, before then sharing their ideas with other students in the whole setting. Other students can then reflect on and evaluate the new ideas they hear. And by reflecting on a range of ideas, students can go beyond passive listening to actively integrate ideas within their own understanding. Learners often find it difficult, however, to talk effectively together in groups, and often because they just haven't been taught how to do so. Ground rules for dialogue and talking points are very effective techniques to support group work. You can see our other videos on these topics for more information. Support for dialogue needs to be embedded in activity design so that students have opportunities to engage with each other's ideas in the setting. Getting students to create an artifact or resource together is especially useful in promoting collaboration and dialogue and ultimately learning. This could be a story, presentation, timeline, blog, or a video, for example. These kind of activities require more than one person to write, draw, or fill in information, provide a reference point for focusing dialogue, allow students to compare and contrast ideas more effectively, and help make the thinking and learning more visible. This then means that the learning can be revisited on future learning occasions. Building on some of the points in the previous slide, here are some examples of artifacts that students have created to show their learning. To enable high-quality group work, students are encouraged to consider and evaluate different ideas. Reaching consensus is not essential, but trying to do so is very helpful, as it encourages learners to genuinely listen to the differences in their views and seek to understand them. Research on group work shows that students continue to reflect on viewpoints that differ from their own. In fact, research on group work shows that students continue to do this even weeks after the session, so that even more learning takes place as a result of that group work. Have a think about how you could design activities for dialogue and group work in your own setting.